Alright guys, welcome back to the Repairman for Life video. Today we're going to be putting in a plumber drain for this new kitchen sink we're going to install. We'll put a new drain, standard drain in, and we are going to put a quick mount for your garbage disposal to disconnect it now. So you can find that at Lowe's. Both of these came from Lowe's, and the sink came from Lowe's. 7-inch deep sink. Stainless steel sink. Alright, so let's jump right into the video. First thing you want to do is take off this is actually a drain nut for your drain line. These are really nice. These are like a deep cut. So instead of having the big nut where it meets up on the bottom of the sink here and you got to have this big wrench to tighten, this one here, this cup fits over it, and you can use actually a smaller wrench to actually tighten it. Plus it makes a real tight seal all the way around, even seal. So we'll get that separated. That's separated. Alright, that's gonna go. It's actually gonna go on this side right here. What you want to do is end up taking you have a paper washer and a rubber washer here. You want the rubber washer up against the sink and the paper washer on the back side. The paper washer is going to keep friction from something grabbing, so it's going to keep it where it'll be able to turn any. First thing we want to do, we want to throw a bead of silicone. A lot of people always used to use plumber's putty. And the problem with plumber's putty nowadays, a lot of these manufacturers want you to use silicone because plumber putty wants to sit there and break down over time, and you having a loose drain and a leak. A lot of these manufacturers now, they're actually requiring you to put silicone on it. So just check with whatever fixture you're using to be able to figure out what you need. But most likely it would be silicone. So what you want to do is just press it up inside here, like that. We're going to put a rubber washer on first, up against the sink. We got a little bit of silicone, that's fine. We got our paper washer. Then we're going to put our cup on it. Alright, we can tighten it down. Got a set of channel locks. Alright, what I want to do, it looks pretty even there. Looks pretty even. Just want to kind of seat it where it's kind of even there, so it's looking all crooked when you tighten it up. And these deep cups are so nice, you can just basically install them yourself. Just nugging that down pretty good. Alright, and the next thing we got to do is, let's see, we're going to wipe out. We got a little extra silicone that's came out. I'm going to wipe that out. Alright, next thing we're going to do, we're going to jump over this side for a garbage disposal. Quick disconnect. We'll grab our drill. loose. A little bit more. There we go. Okay, we got a clip on the bottom here. Just pop this clip off, just like a little ring clip. Pop it off, lay that to the side. Lay that to the side. Alright, we got our paper washer here. So what we're going to do is throw some silicone on here. Whoa. GoPro mount didn't want to stick up there. Alrighty. Alright. This in here. Get my paper washer. Alrighty. Clip here. You just want to hold one end of the clip right here and just roll it around. If I can get it with one hand. Come on. There we go. Alright, you see it snapped in place. Alright, now what I want to do is kind of center it up somewhat. Snug these screws down. So you want to snug the screws down where they look nice and even. Check before we get too far. That looks good. I'll take a straight screwdriver and check these out. Make sure. Make sure they're snug. Well, there we go. Alright, we just have to sit there and wipe off our silicone around top, and that will sit there and complete for putting a drain in, a stainless steel sink, and a garbage disposal quick connect. I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and look forward to future videos to help you learn how to do things. Thank you.